I like Coke, but only if you're mixing it with Jack, then it's dope. Put in my cup, then hand me the smoke. I ain't tryna think about the world, I got too many problems. You know you and I have something no one can deny. You know it's true. So how about you don't go? We've been here before. I see the lies within your words and how you're trying to keep me blinded. Wonder why, when we both got problems, why won't you help me solve them? I love you, but you don't. This is how I cope. I like Coke, only if you're mixing it with Jack, then it's dope. Put in my cup, then hand me the smoke. I ain't tryna think about the world, I got too many problems. I'm like, no, you can keep your pose, faking smiles with the quotes. I could walk around talking cheap, but I don't. I ain't tryna think about the world, I got too many problems. Full of those problems. All my life I've been on my own, waiting for the one to call my home. But the front door was stuck shut, and now I pitter-patter back and forth, think my mind needs to run its course. It's tired now, it needs to settle. Wonder why, when we both got problems, why won't you help me solve them? I love you, but you don't. This is how I cope. I like Coke, only if you're mixing it with Jack, then it's dope. Put in my cup, then hand me the smoke. I ain't tryna think about the world, I got too many problems. I'm like, no, you can keep your pose, faking smiles with the quotes. I could walk around talking cheap, but I don't. I ain't tryna think about the